Hey everyone, Thomas here from MGM Classic Cars.com in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this gorgeous 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle convertible. I don't get too many of these cars, and because first off, they're very expensive. They're hard to find in great condition, and I am picky. So I probably looked at 15 convertibles before I said, okay, this is the one for MGM Classic Cars. Now, again, this 1970 Chevelle convertible is a tribute car. It's not a real SS454 car by any means. Does it look like one? Absolutely. Does it have the bigger wheels? Absolutely. Some people go, yeah, don't like them. They like the original wheels. And listen, if you do, we can put stock wheels on this car and take back these bigger modern wheels. But as far as the paint on the car, this is a brand new frame off restored with 33 miles on it since restoration. Okay, so everything is brand spanking new on the car. Beautiful paint, beautiful black stripes. As you can see, it's got the cowl induction hood. Yes, it is functional. It's got the SS hood pins there, the big logo in the front grille, the clear lenses on the bottom there for the turn signals, which all the SSs had. Modern wheels, SS454 badged on the fenders. Crossed drilled front power disc brakes with the big American racing wheels. Beautiful chrome dual side mirrors on this particular one. Again, paint very close to a 10, guys. You're gonna definitely love it. All the trim on the car, the chrome, the tail lenses, the front lenses, everything is brand new on the car. Dual exhaust correct tips were installed on the Chevelle. As you can see, it's got the black boot for the convertible top. It can be installed a little bit better, but I'm just in a little hurry. I have 4 photo shoots to do today, but you get the logistics out of it. The power top now is a soft cloth black material, which makes it look very, very elegant in my opinion. Glass is all good all around the car as well. Front windshield. I mean, look at this front area here. It's all been painted blue, same as the body color of the car. Door lips are excellent factory welds on both doors, no rot at all. You guys can refer to the pictures for underneath the vehicle, so you guys can check that out. Let's move in a little bit further. I want to show you guys the beautiful brand new interior. As you can see, the SS door panels. Lips are excellent. Inner outer door jambs are excellent. Door sill plates are brand new, along with the entire interior. Tilt option on this one, guys. You got buckets, console, upgraded radio, power top switch, all your factory gauges, RPM, speedo, and the clock. Yes, the clock does work. Why? It's brand new. Brand new dash pad. All right, let's check out the trunk real quick. Beautiful trunk, guys. Now, this model, I told you, has been fully restored. Both quarters on both sides have been professionally installed. Door gaps look great, lining up with the quarter panels on both sides. Professional job, zero rot. They even did the correct color on the trunk pan. Spare tire jack as well. They painted under the trunk here. Just a beautiful finish with all brand new weather stripping all around the car. Okay. Yes, it does have the 12-bolt rear end in it as well. 4-speed manual with the... Oh, I'm sorry. This is an automatic. Again, sorry. I got 150 plus cars here. I get a little confused sometimes. Automatic turbo 400. Seatbelts all intact, guys. Let's pop the hood. There you have it, guys. If you need delivery, call me or text me at 847-848-1850. If you need financing, you will need 10% down. You can go grab our credit application at mgmclassiccars.com. Once again, my name is Thomas. I'm here at MGM Classic Cars. Thank you for watching.